Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shehzadi. Today, we are sharing choosy and creative inspiration with 20 beautiful carrot cake designs. Whether you love rustic vibes or modern twist, we have got a design we will adore. Let's dive into the first one is classic carrot cake with cream cheese swirl. Smooth white frosting piped into elegant swirl with chopped pecans on top. The next is nut carrot cake with layers. Minimal frosting between layers topped with fresh carrot nuts and herbs, rustic and natural. The next is carrot patch cake, top decorated like a mini carrot garden using piped cayenne leaves and marzipan carrots. The next is bunny themed carrot cake. Cute fondant bunnies digging into the top. Perfect for Easter or kids' birthdays. The next is semi necked floral cake. Soft edges with visible sponge and real flowers on top. Fresh and spring ready. Carrot cake with walnut cream cheese frosting and a caramel walnut drip down the sides for extra indulgence. The next is mini carrot bento cake. Tiny round cake with piped carrots, clean white sides and sweet message text. Great for gifting. The next is carrot cupcake tower. Mini carrot cupcake stacked in a tower with pipe leaves and nut sprinkles. The next is carrot cake with golden accent, white frosting base with gold foil details and dried orange slices. Rustic luxury. The next is carrot cake with textured slice smoothed into rigid wave, a combo pattern for a bakery style finish. The next is fresh herb topped carrot cake, topped with rosemary, thyme, and edible flowers. Perfect for natural style wedding or brunch. The next is cream cheese rosette cake, all over pipe rosettes with light orange hue and pearl sprinkles. The next is bunny ear topper cake, tall fondant ears and tiny carrot toppers, ideal for spring tables. The next is rustic square carrot cake, square shape, minimal icing, and a dusting powder sugar and cinnamon. The next is drip and nuts carrot cake, white cream cheese base with honey drip and walnut for crunch and height. The next is layer loaf style carrot cake, a rectangular loaf cake layered with cream and topped with candied carrot strips. The next is carrot cake with cinnamon stick decor, whole cinnamon sticks, anise star, and dried citrus slices for a full inspired look. The next is elegant floral carrot cake, pipe flower decoration, and pastel color for a vintage tea party feel. The next is carrot cake with chocolate gunge, a sweet twist, chocolate drips, and cream cheese swirl combo for deep flavored flavor. The next is tall carrot celebration cake, three tall stacked layer decorated with cream, nuts, and a cake topper, saying grateful. Which carrot was your favorite? Tell us in the comment. We would love to hear. If you are loving the design from Cakes Factory, hit the like button, tap subscribe for more daily videos, and share this video with your cake loving friend and baker. And hit the bell icon so you never miss any update only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching and stay sweet and happy. See you in the next cake showcase. Till that, take care of yourself and your loved ones. If you like any idea, or take a screenshot of it and bake that cake at your home. Must try. You will love that idea, and you can bake easily at home. The only thing is trying and have baked with love, baking with love. Thank you.